This week, parents across the tri-state are learning their kids can drop the mask at school. That's if they choose. WCPO 9 News reporter Courtney Francisco is at Fort Thomas Independent Schools, one of the latest districts to roll back requirements.
This district lifted its mask mandate today, citing two reasons why. At the same time, the CDC says you still need to wear them.
As school districts decide whether to relax mask mandates, some parents asked, is it too soon?
So I still think it's a bit premature.
Toby Varlin's children go to Fort Thomas Independent Schools, and today the district transitioned to a mask optional policy.
They have at least put out actual guidelines and numbers.
The district based its decision on two factors. The number of district cases is below 25, and the incident rate for that zip code is below 50 per 100,000 people.
They're trying to remove some of what has felt like arbitrary decision making and just kind of let everybody know, hey, if you see these numbers, don't be surprised. We're going to go with or without masking.
Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear says COVID-19 cases are dropping, but
the warning is we just had our fifth highest week in the entire pandemic, right? So in many ways, it's one of those don't quit in the middle of the fourth quarter. I believe that we could be at a place in several weeks, probably 2 to 3, where I think school districts can really look at that question of not requiring masks.
Across the river, Director of Ohio Department of Health, Dr. Bruce Vanderhoff, said cities are seeing a sharp, fast decline in cases, but the state still has more than 5 times what is considered a high level of community spread.
So at this time, the Ohio Department of Health continues to urge Ohioans to protect themselves and think about using each and every tool that's available.
This father wants to know hospitals are not overwhelmed before changing rules.
The lack of empathy on display and the lack of concern for, our teachers.
In Ohio, hospitals report relief in the past week, and the National Guard is pulling troops there. But the governor of Kentucky says, remember, the Commonwealth experienced Omicron a little bit later than other states, so it hasn't quite caught up. Reporting in Fort Thomas, Courtney Francisco, WCPO 9 News.